Welcome. In today's guide, we're going to walk through the simple steps to prevent peer-to-peer calling with specific contacts on the Telegram app for PC. With the latest update, Telegram has made it much easier to manage how calls are handled, giving you more privacy and control over who can connect with you directly. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your PC. Once you're on the main screen, look toward the top left corner and click on the three lines. This will open up the main menu where you can access different features and settings. From the menu, scroll down and select Settings. Inside the Settings page, you'll find a variety of options, but for this tutorial, you'll want to click on Privacy and Security. This is where all of your call, chat, and privacy preferences are stored. Next, go ahead and find the Calls section. Once you're in there, look for the option labeled Use Peer-to-Peer With. Here, you'll see multiple choices, but the one we need is My Contacts. Selecting this ensures that peer-to-peer connections only work with people saved in your contacts, rather than with everyone. Now, to block this feature for specific people, click on Add Users next to Never Allow. This is the key step, because it lets you pick and choose exactly which contacts you don't want using peer-to-peer connections with you during calls. A list of your contacts will appear. Simply select the users you want to block from initiating peer-to-peer calls. After picking the names, click Save. This applies your preferences immediately. Telegram will then ask you to confirm your choice. Just approve the confirmation, and your settings will be fully updated. From this point forward, the users you selected will not be able to connect with you using peer-to-peer calls, even though other contacts still can if you allow it. And that's it. In just a few steps, you've set up your Telegram privacy settings to give you greater control over your calls. By customizing these options, you can enjoy a safer and more private experience while staying connected with the people that matter most.